Hello children, today we are going to study Geography lesson number 12, North America, Land of the Prairies. Let me tell you about the introduction of this lesson. As you all know, there are 7 continents in the world, that is Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Children, last year you have studied the geographical features and importance of Asia, Europe and Africa. This year you will learn a lot about North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. In this lesson you will study about location, extent and physical setting, physical divisions, climate, natural vegetation, agriculture, important minerals, industries, population, growth, distribution and density of the continent of North America. Here you can see the competencies. You have to understand the location, extent and physical setting of North America. Second, understand by comparison the diversity of physical divisions. Know the richness and lakes of North America. Understand the influence of climate on natural vegetation and animals. Know about agriculture development of North America. Understand how North America developed industries by utilizing minerals. Understand the density and distribution of population of North America. This lesson is divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Let us read and enjoy this lesson. That is part 1 of North America. North America is recently discovered continent. In 1501, the Italian navigator Amerigo Vespucci sailed to the coast of the mainland. Then the continent was called by the first word of his name, Americo, America. The continent is mostly inhabited by Europeans. They made use of Mexico's gold. The French built up profitable fur trade in Canada. The British exploited the fisheries and forests of the Atlantic provinces of Canada and of New England of USA. Here you can see the map of North America political division. Children, carefully observe it and note down the important places which are given in your textbooks. Let me continue. The sound resources base combined with development in science and technology, a large domestic market, international trade relationship, development of good means of transportation, etc., have helped North America to become one of the most developed regions of the world. So, the nations of North America are very rich and called one of the economically prosperous countries. Therefore, it is necessary to understand the continent as a model for progress for other continents. Now, let us go to the location, physical setting and extent of North America. The first one is location. North America is located entirely to the north of the equator. It lies within 19 degrees north to 71 degree north latitudes and 500 west to 1500 west longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, passes through the continent in the south, and the Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree north, in the north. Next is the physical setting of North America. North America is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the east, the Pacific Ocean in the west, and the Arctic Ocean in the north. It is separated from the continent of Asia by the Bering Strait. It had a land link with South America by the Isthmus of Panama. A number of small water bodies are found here. Example, the Gulf of Mexico, the Hudson Bay, the Gulf of Alaska, Gulf of California, etc. West Indies and Cuba Islands are found in the Caribbean Sea. Newfoundland is found to the east of Canada. Here a number of islands lie in the Arctic Ocean, on which Greenland is the largest. The strip of land that lies to the south of North America is called Central America. Extent: North America is the third largest continent in area, that is 16.4% in the world, after Asia and Africa. This continent is almost 7 times, that is 24.24 miles square kilometers, bigger than India. There are 24 countries in North America. Canada, United States of America, and Mexico are the three large continents by their size. Countries by their size. The Caribbean islands are also area included in the physical area of North America. Now let us go to the physical divisions of North America. The continent of North America is divided into 4 major physical divisions. They are the Western corduroys or the Rocky Mountains. Second, the Great Central Plains. Third, the Appalachian Highlands. And the fourth one is the coastal plains. So here you have 4 major physical divisions of North America. Can you see the map here? It is the North America's physiography map. The 8 physical regions of North America, that is Appalachian region, which is in orange color, coastal plains, which is brown in color. Can you see in the map, brown color? Great Lakes, St. Lawrence lowlands, which is in blue. Interior plains, you can see in the center there, which is in yellow color. Canadian Shield, it is red. Can you see, children? The red color, that is the Canadian Shield. Western Cordillera, it is to the west with a pink color. Intermountain region, which is in green in color. Arctic region, it is purple in color, which is on the top. Mount Logan is in black color. So Mount Logan is the tallest mountain in Canada and second in North America. Can you see in the map? It is located there and showed an arrow is shown. That is Mount Logan. Now we'll go to the first physical division of North America, that is the Western Cordilleras. These are the Engfold mountain ranges. Like in India, we have the Himalayas. The Western Cordilleras run from Alaska in the north to Panama in the south. They consist of a series of plateaus, example Colorado, Mexican, Yucatan Plateau, and form a series of parallel fold mountains. Here you can see the pictures of Rocky Mountain ranges, Alaska Mountain Range, and McKinley Mountains of North America. To continue with, the Rockies are most important ranges in Western Cordilleras. The height of the range is low towards Alaska and it increases enormously towards Mexico. Mount McKinley, which is 6,194 meters, is the highest peak, and Death Valley, which is 86 meters below sea level, is the lowest part in this region. So you know which is the highest peak and which is the lowest part of the region in North America. The Whitney Mountain and the White Mountain in California are well known for their rugged slopes and scenic beauty. So here the Whitney Mountain and the White Mountain. These both mountains are in California and these are well known for their rugged slopes and also for its scenic beauty. The Old Faithful Geyser is a world famous geyser in the Yellowstone National Park of USA. Can you see the picture here? The white smoky type thing is called as the Old Faithful Geyser. It is world famous in Yellowstone National Park of USA. Let me go to the second physical division, that is the Great Central Plains. The Central Plains are also referred to as the Great Plains of the Prairies. They lie between the Appalachians in the east and the Cordilleras in the west. The plain consists of vast expansion, three-fourths of the total area of NA of flat to gently rolling land. These plains are formed by the river Mississippi, Missouri, and their tributaries. This one of the most fertile plain of the world and is good for farming region. The denudation of the area by ice sheets has resulted in the formation of a large number of basins. These basins are covered by lakes. The third physical division of North America is the Eastern Highlands, which is also called the Appalachians. The Eastern Highlands are also known as Appalachians. These extend from Newfoundland to Alabama along the eastern margin of the continent. The Appalachians are old folded mountains but have been denuded to their present height. These highlands are rich in coal, lead, zinc, iron, copper, water, power, and wood. This region has surprisingly large population and its importance in the North America economy is significant. Can you see here the Appalachians Highlands picture, children? So these are the highlands of North America. The fourth physical division is the coastal plain. North America has quite a long and intended coastal line, expect, except in the south, where the Isthmus of Panama is the coastal plain is narrow in the north, east, and widens towards the south and west. The average height is 1,150 meters above sea level. This is a low and relatively plain area with sandy oil, which is relatively infertile. Swamps and marshes are abundant. The coast is indented by river mouths and bays on which many seaports are located. Let me continue with rivers and Great Lakes of North America. North America has a few large and short rivers. A number of lakes form the unique physical feature of this continent around the Canadian Shield. So rivers, the Mississippi and its tributaries forms the great river system of North America, which is very important. Children, you must know the Mississippi and its tributary. It forms the great river system of North America. These together drain two-thirds of the area of the continent and finally flows into the Gulf of Mexico. The Missouri is the important tributary of Mississippi. Here you can see the picture of rivers of North America. As I have already told you, Mississippi, Missouri, then Colorado, Mexico, St. Lawrence, Churchill. So can you see all these in the map? These are the rivers of North America. Here you can see the Mississippi River, which is the important river of North America. Missouri, which is the tributary of Mississippi River. Let me continue. The St. Lawrence is an important river of USA and Canada. It passes through the Great Lakes. It remains frozen for 3 months in a year. Now here are the lakes of North America. North America has a large number of freshwater and saltwater lakes. There are two types of lakes here, the freshwater and the saltwater lakes. They are situated on the southern border of Canadian Shield, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior are the important lakes. Together they are called HOMES. HOMES. H means Huron, O Ontario, M Michigan, E Erie, and S Superior. These are the 5 important Great Lakes which are called as together are called as HOMES. Lake Superior is the largest of the Great Lakes and is the largest freshwater lake in the world. So you must remember, children, the largest of the Great Lakes is which one? It is the Lake Superior, and it is the largest freshwater lake. As I already told you, there are two types of lakes, that is freshwater and saltwater lakes. So Superior Lake is the freshwater lake in the world, largest freshwater lake in the world. Here you can see the picture of it, Lake Superior. Thank you, children, for listening. Thank you for watching. Please show some love, like it, share it, subscribe it, press the bell icon.